Giuseppe's Marketplace with the one and only Frankie the Baker. And this looks very interesting. Tell us what
we got a lot of stuff going on, Lily.
do.
In Italy, tiramisu means pick me up. So we're gonna make a blueberry lemon tiramisu.
Oh, that sounds amazing.
For the summer, kick it off the right way. We're gonna add blueberries, lemon juice, and sugar, and we're gonna cook it down. All I do is I strain the juice out. So we got our mascarpone cheese, and then we're gonna go in with our whipped cream. Then we're gonna stir and move this around. And now we're gonna start layering the Ladyfingers. So this is the juice from that beautiful blueberry that we made. We're gonna go in with our cookies.
Are these Ladyfingers?
Yes. These are Saviardi Ladyfingers.
Ladyfingers.
Yep.
Ladyfingers, get it? I'm a lady. Fingers.
This is gonna absorb all the blueberry juice. So the Ladyfingers are gonna get soft. The mascarpone whipped cream mix is gonna smoothen everything up. Now we're going in with our compote.
Okay, so you took your blueberry juice, put it in this container, and
Yeah.
you're gonna dip more Ladyfingers.
Yeah, so we're gonna dip and stack. Another layer of mascarpone whipped cream mix. And now you're gonna drop your little blueberry filling. A little zest. You got your little Ladyfingers. You could decorate it as you like. All right? Beautiful, delicious lemon blueberry tiramisu.
It looks amazing, and it could not be easier. So head to our website, newspelf.com. You will find the recipe there. Try it.
Nice
Thank you,
pick me
Frankie.
up for the summertime.
I love it.